Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the accident detection system. So we have to open the terminal and then write
Python start.py. For my case, I have 3.10. For your, you can directly type Python. That's it. So this is the login page for the project. So here we have to type the credential like admin is the username, pass 123 is the password, and then we have to click detection, and then it will give you home screen. So basically, we have trained YOLO version 8 model, and I have trained two different models like nano small models and the large one. So large one is more accurate and it takes some time for processing, but the small one is less accurate, but in terms of performance it gives good performance. So we'll go with large one as we are more focused on accuracy part. So then it will give you this main module. So from here you can pass the input source whether you want to detect from image or video. So let me pass some videos and images. So I have provided you test data, so from there you can upload the data. So just copy the path and let me upload into this. So first I'll go with image one. Okay, so this is the images. Okay, so you can select any of this. So suppose I'm selecting this minor one. So I have provided given you multiple videos and lots of images. So as you can see, this is a very minor dent in the accident, so it is saying as a minor. Similarly, let me upload some other. So suppose this one, this is something more minor and related to moderate. Okay, so this is also like minor thing, no hospital and no ambulance is required, they can handle by themselves, right? So so in so in see, our project basically differentiate accident in three different categories: normal it means no accident, minor, a small accident like that, moderate where some emergency is required, and critical is somewhere where very huge accident happened and fire is occurred. At that time it will take it as a critical. Okay, and in terms of critical and moderate, it will send alert to alert system, alert email, and from there we can admin can take action or police can take action, right? So let me pass some more critical data. So you can go inside these images. Here I have provided some you know accident images which is very critical like this one. So this is a car which got flipped after accident. So this is a kind of very critical case, right? So in such case emergency help is required. Okay, so for such case okay, it will send a email, but for image case it will not send email. For video cases it will send the image. Okay, because in image we are just testing, right? But in video we are demonstrating it is live demo, right? Similarly, let me pass some other video, other images. Like let's choose some fire something images. Okay, like this one. So as you can see, it is saying that this one is very critical case and it is also detected fire. Okay, similarly let's pass some videos. Okay, so let's go to video section, and there is some video folder is there. So from here you can upload any video. I have given you some videos, you can upload your own as well. So from internet I have found this some 18 to 12 videos. Okay, so let me pass one of the video. So as you can see, I have also added a beep song. So whenever accident detected, it will play the sound. Okay, similarly, so now you can say it is detecting fire as well as it is critical situation. Okay, so and in console you can say it is continuously sending mail. So if I go to my email address, so as you can see, it is working fine. Okay, as we all know, we had very recent algorithm, so it is giving good accuracy, and it is very accurate, and in terms of performance everything is okay. Okay, so as you can see, it is again, I know, suppose I am taking my email address as a emergency email address. Okay, so it is saying me ki accident has detected at this time. It is also sending me email so that admin or emergency contact can take the action. Okay, so this way the system is working. Okay, similarly I have selected the large module. Okay, but if you select a small model as well, that will also work same. Okay, just the only thing is small model is less accurate because it has less neural network as compared to large one, right? So as you can see, it is giving accuracy, but not as much large model. Okay, it is also working very fine because we are passing real time data, and to get real time data, So it is very kind of very big challenge to get real accuracy on real time data, because we no right, we don't know what data will come. So but still it is giving good accuracy. So here is the training code. Like this is the notebook which I have prepared. I have consumed 100 epochs to train the model. Okay. And I have also refer dataset, accident dataset from online. So I have also shared the dataset with the folders inside the folder only. So if you go to the notebook folder, so there you will get the dataset and training complete information. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.